Welcome back. How you doing? Same shirt. You already know. I ain't showered at all. Been 5 days, still ain't showered.
Is this nigga serious?
I just played. I'm just recording videos back to back. So I'm probably gonna be recording like 3 to 4.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Jerry.
Today we're gonna be playing The Beholder. Don't know what it is again. I never know what games I'm playing at all. I probably should know, but we're just gonna play it, see what it is, see what's about. If I get scared, I get scared. If I do it in my pants, I do it in my pants. Okay.
Oh, you nasty ass bastard!
But we're gonna play The Beholder, and let's get to the gameplay, shall we? Yeah. Oh, what is wrong with me?
The Beholder.
Like always, you guys see what the options are. They don't give us too much options, but okay. Let's start. Oh shoot. Okay. Can't see Jilly Jack, but hey, I'm with it. I'm with it. Click to see grocery list. So we need milk, chips, beer, cold, Coca-Cola, cold, cheese, ketchup, canister of gasoline, frozen what? Frozen pancakes. Handwriting is messy. And sugar. Alright. So we need what we need? Milk, chips. Okay. Alright. I'm pretty sure we don't need nothing over here.
Chips, why make it so complicated?
Why make it so complicated? I don't know, man.
One is spicy, and I like spicy. So anyway, blue or red? I came to the second store, and even if the chips are in different packages, why do they do it?
This dude. Nah. I can't go shopping with you, bro. I need you to make up your mind.
Hi, how are you?
Ew, bro. Is this the employee of the month? Got Ronald McDonald over there. Alright. So first, milk. If I was milk, where would I be? One of these, right? Alright, so I have to go in order of what it's telling me. So milk. Milk. What the hell is milk? That's definitely not milk. Hello? Yo, buddy. Oh, milk is on the shelf. Unless she's talking about like powdered milk, but in my mind, milk stays in the refrigerator. Chips. All right. If I was chips, what type of chips are we getting? I like the song though. Hey. This song go crazy. Hold on, turn this up. Sir, do you happen to know where I can find
Chips, why?
chips, or are you just still on your chip rant? Oh, here we go. We getting Doritos, spicy nacho. That's not too bad. I'm more of the purple bag guy, sweet and spicy, I believe. Beer, I saw it right here. Not a beer guy either, you know, at all. Coca-Cola, I saw it over here. Oh, I was like, what happened to the music? And get that. Boom. Coca-Cola. Alright. We need cheese. Where would cheese be?
12 seconds later.
What's that? That was cheese? What up? Okay. Ketchup right here. In the most random spots. Canister gasoline, which I saw right over here. Don't know why, it's just a canister of gasoline there. We need frozen pancake. Is that? That's not pancakes, but it looks like pancakes to me. So yeah. Sugar. There we go. Let's go check out. Oh, that's you? You must be employee of the month then, huh?
Hello. Welcome to the shop chain of stores. How can I help you?
I just like, you know, purchase my products here.
Okay, that'll be $9.
$9 for all of that? I ain't playing it. Take me, buddy. $9 for all of that? Bro, that is what I just picked up is probably like 50 to 60 bucks right now. Kid you not.
Goodbye.
Goodbye to you. You have an amazing night. Only $9? That's guarantee you the Doritos I picked up were at least, and right now the Doritos I picked up were like $5. Kid you not, bro. Let's go home. $9? I'll take that. I don't like this. Ew, I don't like this. Ugh. Is my door? Where? Bro, I can't see Jack. What am I? Bro, am I supposed to? They expect me to operate? Bro, it's literally... I can't see a thing, bro. I ain't gonna lie. We might have to play a new game. Cause I cannot find that light switch to save my life.
Round them bills, walk round them bills, walk round them bills. Fucking
Start a new game? Yes. What? Use headphones for better experience. Got him in, coach. Got him in. The dog. Hey, got me my breakfast. Got me my pancakes. You eat. So, my wife is eating toast with eggs. Okay, you're just eating toast, buttered toast. You're eating cereal, and I'm eating a whole stack of pancakes. Dang. He said, "Don't worry, pal. It's just our dog." I don't think a dog can wiggle a doorknob like that. It's just our dog. We got a Great Dane or something? Nah, bro, that's not a dog. That's not a dog. That's not no dog at all. I don't know what dog is sounding like that. Not mine. I'll tell you that right now. 12:35 p.m. Okay, so time in the afternoon. Missing people, bro. Don't tell me I have a missing person, bro, in that basement. Yes, server investigating a recent fire at a grocery store. Ask the neighbors if they saw anything. No, you should.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Oh, that's just our dog. That dog do not sound like that. He's like, alright, bro, alright. Sorry for the disturbance. Sorry, I could be more help. He is caked up. Yo, my 8:08 p.m. Cool. Honey, can you take a look at the TV? I think it doesn't work. Sure, darling. Oh, in a bedroom? So it's in a bedroom? Okay. That was down here. Alright, I'll fix the TV, don't you worry. You don't call me Bob the Builder for nothing. It's not this bedroom. I don't think it is this one. Nope. I'm guessing it's that one. Yep. There's no TV in here. Or am I getting my toolbox? Oh, okay. Okay, I gotcha. I was gonna say, there's no TV in here. You set me up? Alright. Let me fix TV for y'all. Yeah, you are the best. Well, thank you, Cat. Why we name her Catherine, bro? Catherine and Billy, bro. Look at Billy's face, bro. Yay, cartoons. Yo, Billy, you don't want to go outside, bro? We got a big backyard back there, bro. I can buy you a trampoline. Ew!
Hi, how are you?
Ew, that creeped me out. Everything is okay, dear. I will handle it. Ew, why her neck like... Take the bat. Bro, that is not a dog if you're taking a bat. Oh my gosh, we kidnapped someone, didn't we? We kidnapped someone, didn't we, bro? Oh, hell no. Yo, honey, Billy. Oh, shit. No. Oh. Wait, am I? Is that you? So am I the... I'm tripped out. I'm really tripped out. What in the world? So was I the kidnapped person the whole time? The dog. Yo. This was good. That scare got me real good. Got me real good. That scare got me good. I was not expecting to be right there. But man, did that get me real good. Yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed that gameplay. This was the dog. Real good. Ship Captain Studios. Round of applause for him. That was real good. I did not expect that ending at all. But we will be playing more games soon. So stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed, again, make sure you leave a like. 10 likes will satisfy me.
If you want to leave a little more, go ahead, right?
10 likes will do. I appreciate y'all so much. Love y'all to death. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.